Ghormeh Sabzi is one of the traditional and popular dishes in Iranian cuisine. This dish is made with a combination of fresh herbs and is usually cooked with red meat or chicken. Ingredients for making Ghormeh Sabzi. Serves 4 people. Beef or lamb, 400 grams. Fried herbs, sabzi 400 grams. Medium onions, 2. Fried onion, for garnish 3 tablespoons. Dried limes, limau 5 to 6. Beans, kidney beans 1 cup. Oil, 3 tablespoons. Water, 4 cups. Tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Salt, black pepper, and turmeric, to taste. Fresh lemon juice, 1/4 cup. Step 1. Soaking the beans to reduce bloating and soften them. Beans needed for Ghormeh Sabzi. Soak the red kidney beans in water for at least 8 hours the night before. Be sure to change the water several times during this period. Step 2. Chop the onion and meat. Clean the meats and then cut them into stew-sized pieces. Peel a large onion and finely chop it into small cubes. If you don't want the onion to be visible in your dish, you can grate it instead. Step 3. Sauté. Now sauté the chopped onion in oil until it becomes soft and golden. Add the chopped meat to the onion and sauté well until the meat changes color completely. Step 4. Adding the spices. Add the spices, salt, pepper, and turmeric, to the onion and meat mixture. Step 5. Adding the beans. Drain the soaked bean and add them to the meat. Sauté for another 1 to 2 minutes. Step 6. Adding water. Add water to the mixture. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat and let the meat simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours until it's partially cooked. Step 7. Adding the Ghormeh Sabzi herbs. If the herbs are raw, sauté them before adding. The more you sauté them, the darker the stew becomes. Then add the sautéed herbs to the cooking mixture. The herbs include leek, parsley, cilantro, fenugreek, and a few mint leaves. Step 8. Adding the dried limes, limau. Slice the dried limes, remove the seeds, and soak them in water for a few minutes to remove their bitterness. Then drain and add them to the simmering stew. Let it cook for 1 to 1.5 hours. Once you're sure the Ghormeh Sabzi is well cooked and full of flavor, remove it from the heat and serve it with rice.